You got it up?
Oh my god.
I'm just shit.
Quick, get back.
How am
I
I,
see nothing.
how am I?
Hit me.
Oh, thank God. Up, fly, up, directly up.
Are you gonna die?
Nah,
Oh.
I'm good. I'm good for now.
I'm gonna follow this person.
Quickly. I need to fix my armor.
He's gonna catch me.
There we go. I'm good.
He's gonna catch you in the love racking.
Nope.
What?
Where are you? You ditched me.
I did not.
Hey, what are you doing?
Ran around on the love rocket. We can get them.
Where? Who? What?
There's one down there. He's got 51,000.
Okay.
Shit, that's a lot.
Shit, that's.
Alright. Hang on, let's follow him.
Yeah,
He went this way.
yeah, I can see him.
I can't see
Dude,
him. Where the
I
fuck is he
can.
going?
I'm following him. No! There, yeah, no, I got him.
I don't see him.
He's just bit. There he's there. Shit.
Fuck, I can't see him.
I'm following him somewhere. No, I lost him. No.
No. Maybe he's going to ours.
Yeah, I think he is.
Take off all your gear and act as bait.
What?
Act as clear bait.
Dude, let's go back over
Yeah, okay.
there. Take off fucking gear and act like bait. There he is there.
Where?
There. Blood of praise.
Yeah, where? I don't see him.
There, right there.
Ready?
Right
Watch
in front of me.
Watch this.
Oh my god.
Fuck, I missed it.
Oh no, he's moving.
I just wasted all my cooldown.
He's moving.
Such a nub.
Oh yeah, I'm waiting for him to.
I used all my cooldowns, dude. I was gonna kill him in the middle of the air. Because I've seen another rogue do it.
No, yeah, I seen that. Yeah, that was funny. Wait, dude. Oh no, he's on the move.
What? Where is he?
Yeah, follow me. I got him.
This fucking random bird following him, and then this guy in a fucking love rocket.
Yeah.
I'm not planning anything.
Yeah, I know.
That's not sus. Where is he?
I'm
Fuck.
right on his tail. Literally.
He's heading back,
I know. He's baiting me.
No, you're a queer bait.
Nope.
No, you're being queer baited.
Dude, he's just sitting there. He's taunting me. He really. I know what he did. Oh, you little.
What did he do?
He brought me near a hunter that's in camouflage. And then I just nearly got wrecked.
They got one hit on you.
Yeah. But it was a confusion shot, so yeah. What?
I got this.
You're a rogue, you don't got nothing.
Is that them? Is that the person we're following?
No, yeah, down there, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
they're
one
not
of them.
PvP enabled.
That one is.
Oh,
The
nice.
Diosha stairs, the priest is.
Yeah.
Let's get her.
Let's not.
Let's get her.
There's another person active there. Let's not.
How much is it? How much health?
60,000.
Oh. Yeah, that's not. Oh, actually. Wait until she uses all of her moves on the training dummy, then we'll just attack, okay? Then we'll just like leave.
Do me. Do me up here.
Huh?
Do me.
No!
Up here.
No!
See if we can get the redemption.
No! Dude, well, one of us will die.
Why did I just jump?
Oh. Dude, I will jump and try to kill him if you come with me.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Do it.
No,
Do it.
no.
There's a warlock down there.
No way.
Oh, he's only got a little bit of health. But he's not. But he's not PvP enabled.
Who are you talking about?
That was good. Blood Elf down there. Undead warlock.
He's got 60,000.
Yeah, he's hardly got anything.
Dude, we've only got 69.
So put them together and we got a lot. But he's not PvP enabled. Oh wait, where'd the priest go?
I don't know.
Where'd the priest go? Oh, shit. Dude, I lost him.
Say,
Dude, I've lost him. I've
come
lost
over
him.
here and do me.
No.
Come on.
No.
Up here, we're not allowed to move.
No.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh
Where are
god. I fell off. You still have school tomorrow?
Yeah.
Say, man, your school's fucked up.
It is. Oh my god, I don't want to do anything. Dude, I dare you to go and sit on the bench.
What? What bench?
That bench down there.
Hang on. Is that you?
Yeah, in the air, yeah.
Come do me.
No,
Up here, just up here.
Wait. Come and get. Oh.
What?
Dog. Some dude just try. Oh, is there a Death Knight down there?
Not one that's PvP enabled.
Because he just thingied me.
Magic Rooster.
Magic Rooster.
Yeah.
Very nice. Wait, I dare you go sit on the bench.
Yeah, kind of like recess.
I've got a better idea.
Hold up, stop. Let me raid you.
Fuck.
What?
What are you hitting me?
I'm
I'm gonna sit up here with my pet goat.
Yeah,
He's
pet
not
goat. Where's your pet goat?
ready.
Pet goat. Pet goat.
Touch it.
So,
Touch it. Touch
so,
it. Fuck it
yeah.
off. You fucker.
Now he will not move. Hey, where are you going?
Come up here and do me, you pussy.
No, go sit on the bench, pussy.
If you do me and you win,
No,
what if I sit on it? Will you?
I'll sit on it with you.
Okay. we need to hit the floor though and stealth. This?
How did you do that? Alright.
Hang on. Oh
Shit.
what?
Oh no, we're good. Ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
You're not even sitting on it.
Yeah, I am.
You're a cat.
I am sitting on it.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Her PvP's enabled now. Did you just get on my oh you
I did. Oh, let's take her.
We can't.
Yes, we can.
No, we can't.
Yes, we can.
Done. Yeah. Dude, no! I'm not.
Dude,
I'm not.
go,
in this.
go. Shit. Leg it.
Where'd you
Screw this,
go?
man. Screw this.
I'm not in this. I'm not involved.
You should be.
Guards,
No!
kill him.
I
You're dead. You're dead. There's no coming back for you.
forgot that there was guards there.
That's why I don't want to attack her. I'm not worried about the characters.
You're worried about the guards.
Yeah.
Oh, you should have warned me.
I don't care if they hit me, because it's gonna take them a while to kill me. It's gonna be fast as a fucking guard hits me.
Yeah, what do- Oh no. Or you distract him for me.
No!
Yes!
No, fuck you.
Be a good cousin.
No,
Risk your game life for me.
no.
Ah, shit.
Useless. Just character fly? Of course it does. Wouldn't this
Oh, thank
fish
God.
Be like the Raven. Ravenclaw.
I'm fine. I made it out alive.
Made it out alive.
I was almost eaten by a goblin. Oh, it was tragic.
Wait, I'm gonna go say hello to my buddy.
Which buddy? There's a buddy? You have a buddy? Let me meet the buddy.
No. You. My buddy.
Let's go sit on the bench again.
No, I'm going to visit my buddy.
You have a buddy? Where's your buddy?
My buddy. He protects me.
Dude, let's go attack the oh shit. Let's go attack the boss, 92 boss. Elite
Where?
person.
No, you can't hit that. You're not allowed. My friend.
I wanna hit it anyway.
You can't.
Why not?
Because you're fucking gay.
Isn't it like from a mission or something? Like a quest?
Yeah, I don't know. I honestly couldn't tell you. I'm gonna sit down on the bench.
Yeah, I'm flying like a dragon. Yay! Boom, 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 You gonna sit on the bench? Are you sitting on the bench? Are you sitting on the bench?
Yeah.
Without me?
Oh. Hell. He's Wait, is it CAESR?
I have no idea. Shh. They don't know.
Oh, hail Caesar!
Shh. They don't notice.
They don't know we're on there. Well, they're not gonna hit me, they're gonna hit you.
I'm out. Oh, wait. Yes. Yeah?
Everyone here talking to Tom or just Tom?
It's me.
Oh, whoever's in his room. Yeah.
No, I mean on the internet.
No, just me. Just Tom.
Wait, there's a hunter here.
Yeah, I know.
Should we take him?
Yeah, alright.
He's AFK from the looks of it.
No, he's just trying to hit me.
Oh, okay, well, I'm gonna...
Where is he?
Oh, fuck.
Where is he? Oh, yeah. Dude, you ready? I'm being serious.
Oh,
like,
shit.
I'm being serious. We're gonna take him. Oh, okay.
I'm not taking shit. Half raping.
Lol. Dude, I really just...
We're gonna get him by the end of this video.
Are we?
Yeah. We're gonna get him. Like, just all out on him. Don't even worry about the rest of us.
Just take him out.
His Stampede's gone, I think. Either that or his Beast Wrath.
Hurry up then.
Just attack him. Start attacking him.
No.
Yeah,
What
it
about
takes it. Dude, you're useless.
So? Alright, ready?
Go.
3,
Go.
2.
Go.
You're not even thingied yet.
Go.
Okay. Ready? Where are you? What are you doing?
I'm fucking already started.
Oh, you gonna tell me that?
I'm dead. There's no point in even trying. A damn rogue. You just go fucked up.
Yep. There's like 20 people on. And by 20, I mean 3.
At least I wasn't full health. At least I had the little tiniest bit.
Igloo, so I didn't care.
Not bad. Did you almost get
You
him?
got lifted. Yeah.
I had the tiniest bit of health.
Almost. I got him down to 5.
Fuck off. You did barely any.
Yes, I did. Stupid rogue.
Fuck off.
The rogue got between me and him.
No.
The rogue was like, "Oi, buddy, back off." And I got my ass handed to him.
I'm gonna eat a barbecue up here.
Barbecue.
Wonder if they can see me.
Barbecue. Oh no. No. I don't want to do this.
What?
Oh.
Wait, there's a person over 40 HP we should get him.
Depends how quick we can get him.
Pretty quick, I'd reckon.
Alright, let's do it.
Yeah,
But, oh, stupid rogue.
Did he get ya?
Yes. Come down. Dude, there he is.
I'm gonna get it. There we go. Fuck you, bitch.
What are you doing?
Running.
Oh, dog.
Hey, the boat. I don't even fuck. I got that kill.
Hold on, dude. I gotta go.
Why? Oh, for fuck's sake. How did that rogue catch me? You motherfucker. Shrek. Steven. Well, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty sure that's about it for this episode. Oh, wait. I'm gonna get this guy. Come back.
Nothing.
I may have stuck with the needle and then let go of the needle so it was in your back. Yeah.
I don't even want to know what's going over their house. Like,
Stuck in there, so like,
it could be anything.
I've made a hole. So I'm like, I'm putting out the secret. Don't have to go.
I don't think jamming kids like that much. Because I'm stupid cat.
You ever think maybe it's a run? What?
Well, I got a kill, so I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I don't even know what song's played in the background of this song, to be honest with you. I just can't be bothered putting him in. I died. Nah, I got this. GG. Ugh. Yeah, that'll do this episode. Thanks for watching, guys.